minions are here. Hi, my dear friends. Today we are going to color the minions together. I'm so excited. We have Kevin, Stuart, and Bob here. Let's start with Bob. We'll color his eyes brown. Let's get started. I'm so ready for this. Oh, he's standing on his friend's head. He is so funny. Now, let's color his face and his body, which is very good, yellow. Minions love the color yellow because they like bananas, and bananas are yellow. Well done! Now, let's color his overall. What color should we use? Aha, blue! The color of the sky. Now, let's color Bob's glasses. I'm going to use my gray color. Are we missing something? Oh, that's right! We forgot to color his boots and his gloves. Let's color them. Let's use our black color. We are done with Bob. Now, let's move on to Kevin. Kevin is so tall. We will color his eyes brown. Now, it's time for his body. What color should we use? Perfect! Yellow! Kids, do you like the Minions? Have you ever watched the animation? It's so funny! I love it! Now, let's color his overall, which is... Nice guessing! Blue! Blue is the perfect color for his overall. Look at those glasses. Let's color them. Let's use our gray color. For this part of his glasses, his gloves and his boots, we are going to use our black color. That's right, black. Now let's go to Stuart. Let's color his eyes light brown. And now let's color his body yellow. Just like a bumblebee. I love coloring with you. I'm having so much fun. What should we do next? That's right, his overall. Let's color it. Let's color it blue. Nice blue. Don't forget to color his glasses gray. And let's finish this beautiful painting with our black color. Don't forget to color his gloves and his shoes. Ta-da! We did it! Thank you so much for watching this video and color with me. See you in next video. Bye!